have just felt me.
Mm.
We'll see. It's a rather large minnow. I don't know if it'll like hook set. There's only one hook, no drink.
Oh, yeah.
So I like to wait until it tries to take.
Yeah.
That way I know it's in the mouth.
Yeah.
I just felt something. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Quite yet. So, as I say, I'm waiting for the fish
Yeah.
to try and run away. Alright, do the 10 count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, fish, I think fish on. We'll see soon enough. It's tight. Hasn't started. I don't know if it even knows it's hooked yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, it
there
does.
you go.
Now it does. Oh, shit. There it goes.
Oh.
And it's fed. Ah.
Oh, man.
Bummer.